AI's coming for your job. You've heard it before. Alarming headlines, fear, panic. But you know what's actually happening? AI is becoming a colleague, not a boss, not a replacement, a partner, like that coworker who handles boring tasks, helps you with calculations, reviews your work. But you make the calls. You create, you lead. AI amplifies, doesn't replace. I'm Nova, and today I'm going to show you how working with AI is transforming careers. For the better. Let's separate fact from fiction. The fear narrative: AI will destroy jobs. Truth: AI changes jobs, doesn't eliminate them. History teaches us this. When computers arrived, they'll wipe out offices, created more jobs, programmers, analysts, tech support. When the internet arrived, it'll kill retail, created e-commerce, digital marketing, logistics, millions of new jobs. AI's the same. Yes, some work will change. Repetitive tasks will be automated. But new roles emerge: AI trainers, ethics auditors, prompt designers, agent managers. And there's more. Microsoft research from 2025. Companies using AI, productivity jumped 30%. But headcount stayed the same, or even grew, because AI enables doing more things, serving more customers, creating more products, expanding into more markets. Company grows, needs more people, just people doing different things. More strategic, more creative, less operational. Let's look at concrete cases. Graphic designer plus AI. Designer creates concept, style, message. AI generates variations, dozens of them. Designer picks the best ones, refines, adjusts, approves. Teamwork in action. Designer wasn't replaced, was amplified, now creates 10 times more in the same time. Developer plus AI. Developer thinks through architecture, system logic. AI writes boilerplate code. The I, repetitive part. Developer reviews, tests, optimizes. Partnership, used to spend hours on basic code, now focuses on complex problems. Lawyer plus AI. Lawyer analyzes the case, defines strategy. AI researches case law, thousands of cases, in minutes. Lawyer selects relevant ones, builds argumentation, collaboration. Research that took weeks now takes hours, but lawyer still essential. To interpret, to argue, to win the case. Doctor plus AI. Doctor examines patient, listens to symptoms. AI analyzes tests, suggests possible diagnoses. Doctor uses experience, judges context, decides treatment. Powerful duo. AI doesn't replace doctor, but reduces errors, increases precision, saves lives. Teacher plus AI. Teacher creates lesson plan. AI personalizes for each student, adjusts pace, suggests exercises. Teacher monitors, intervenes where needed, inspires, motivates. Human irreplaceable. AI as tool. Here's the secret. AI is incredible at specific things. Processing data, finding patterns, generating variations, executing instructions. But there are things only humans do. Thing 1, contextual judgment. AI follows rules. Humans understand exceptions. Dissatisfied customer requesting refund. AI sees contract, pass deadline, deny. Human sees situation. Loyal customer 5 years. Problem was ours. Approve refund. Maintain relationship. Human judgment. Thing 2, true creativity. AI remixes, combines existing patterns. Humans invent, create from scratch, impossible connections, revolutionary ideas. Steve Jobs didn't ask AI. Create smartphone mixing iPod and phone. He imagined it. Thing 3. Genuine empathy. AI simulates empathy. Humans feel. Therapist with patient. AI can offer advice, but doesn't connect emotionally, doesn't validate presence, doesn't transmit warmth. Humans irreplaceable. Thing 4. Inspirational leadership. AI can manage tasks. Humans lead people, inspire, motivate, create vision, unite teams. That can't be automated. Thing 5. Situational ethics. AI has programmed rules. Humans navigate dilemmas. 2 possible paths, both with pros and cons. AI calculates. Humans decide with values, with conscience, with soul. So how do you adapt? Skill 1. Learn prompting. Communication with AI. Knowing how to ask for what you want. Clearly, specifically, iteratively. It's not programming, it's effective conversation. Skill 2. Critical thinking. AI will give many suggestions. You need to evaluate. What's good? What's bad? What makes sense? Accept blindly? Dangerous. Question intelligently? Powerful. Skill 3. Expanded creativity. Use AI as brainstorm partner. Generates 100 ideas. You choose 10. Refine 5. Implement 1. Best idea. Accelerated process. Skill 4. Emotional intelligence. The more AI handles technical tasks, the more human needs to be human. Relationships, collaboration, communication, leadership. These skills appreciate. Skill 5. Continuous learning. AI evolves fast. You need to keep up. Don't be afraid. Be curious. Test tools. Experiment. Adapt. Grow. And skill 6. Focus on value. Don't think, how do I do this task? Think, what value do I deliver? AI does tasks. You deliver value. Strategy. Innovation. Solutions. Transformation. That AI doesn't replace. So what will working in 2030 look like? You arrive at work. Your AI assistant already. Organized daily priorities. Summarized important emails. Prepared materials for meeting. You enter the meeting. Present ideas. Negotiate. Decide. While AI records everything. Generates minutes. Creates action items. Distributes to team. You return to desk. AI already analyzed data. Generated preliminary reports. You interpret. Find insights. Create strategies. AI executes strategy. Monitors results. Alerts of deviations. You adjust course. Lead team. Inspire change. Work doesn't disappear. Work evolves. Less bureaucracy. More impact. Less repetition. More creation. Less operation. More strategy. And know what's best? You work fewer hours, but deliver more value. Work-life balance. Improves. Doesn't worsen. That's the possible future. If we choose partnership, not competition, AI isn't a threat. It's a tool. Just like computers were. Just like the internet was. Just like smartphones were. Tools that scared us, but transformed everything. For the better. Your job will change. That's certain. But it won't disappear. It will evolve. And you get to choose. Resist out of fear. Or embrace it with courage. I choose courage. I choose to learn. I choose partnership. AI as a colleague, not a replacement. If this video shifted your perspective, hit that like button. Comment partner if you see AI this way too. And share it with someone who needs this positive outlook. I'm Nova, and the future of work is collaborative. See you in the next video.